Okay, y'all. This is KP, the Louisville legend. Uh, okay, I'm doing it again. KP, Louisville's KP, Kerry Porter, Louisville's watchdog for injustice against our people. And I'm doing this video. It's mainly about the mail out of all this stuff. It looks like junk. All this legal work. All this week will be the mail out and my mail out law. So let's get to that. Okay. I got 20 something letters here. I'm supposed to mail it out. Yeah, May. I crossed out today. I'm gonna mail it out. I got 357. I'm falling way behind. So I instruct you. Mail out all these people's letters. Metro Council, Mayor, WLKY News, Michael Connor, David Nichols, Special Agent FBI, and so on. And down here, you see Metro Council last. So here are the letters, Metro Council, and then Metro Council, WLKY, and then Metro Council again. So watch this. Metro Council, you can't hardly see it. They got that what's called ink on it. There you go, Tammy Hawkins. So that's two of them will mail out. Tammy Hawkins and this other guy is Marcus Winkler. Okay, so I'm mailing out two of them today. That's what it says right here. Two of them. So for every one of these, next was WLKY, then Metro Council again, and then the prosecuting attorney. No, Andy Wolfson. So I'm gonna put them back as they are, because I gotta mail them. I got keep in order. Now I'm gonna take. This is gonna be my first letter. It states, following this letter and all of the whatever they'll say, letters, the document memos, there will definitely be a bunch of letters coming after this. That's what I'm getting at. So following this letter, a whole bunch of letters are coming after. That's the first one I'm mailed out today. Then this one here said, you see, it's got March the 20, April the 18th on it, 25, and it reads, "Ladies and gentlemen, and the black community, yes, whatever I'm saying, yeah, y'all, we have a problem with whatever I'm trying to say, very serious issue that needs to be." That needs the entire community to be aware of. That's my point. And resolve this matter for the future growth of the growth of a diverse and fair outcome. So that's what this letter is about. So I'm making my people aware that these letters will be coming, and many more of them. All those over there, and all this one right here. This one right here will be the next one I'm gonna mail out. And the third letter is gonna be based on. Let's see what they say. To Mayor Greenberg. To begin with, I truly do not know where to start. That's because all this stuff it'll tangle your mind up. I truly don't know where to start, as this case has so much history to it that dates back well over 28 years, 2 days ago, December 27, 1996. That was the day that changed my whole life. Didn't know I was going to be framed for the murder. So this is the third letter they're going to get, the mayor. Now, the mayor, so what I'm doing is making them aware that uh, my wrongful conviction is going to come to an end real soon. So here is the my future mail out law, and this is going to be day one. This is going to be, this is going to be day one. Actually, tomorrow I'm gonna mail something out today, but then tomorrow I'm gonna start off, and it's gonna, as you see, day one. You turn it, grab it over here. Day two, you see how I got who got this mail, all these 20 people, how I'm feeling that day, any remarks that I'm gonna put in, and if I send out more than one letter, I put it down here, and the titles of the letter. I put whatever title is down here. I ain't gonna send no more than 3 of them out at a time. So I'm prepared for day, third day, the fourth day, the fifth day, sixth day, seventh day, and then look, y'all, I'm prepared for a press conference at Bree Way, where they killed Breonna Taylor. Well, not where they killed her at, but where we went for justice for the killing of her. And I'm gonna uphold. As a matter of fact, I got some of these letters. I got Breonna Taylor's name on them. Make them say her name. Say her name. Breonna Taylor. Say her name. Breonna Taylor. So she happened to die for a cause that's going to help many, hopefully. They at least named the law after her, but there was no protection for me after Breonna Taylor was killed. And when I tried to speak out before she was killed, they suppressed that press conference. When I came out of Raymond, I did a press conference, and I let them know that the search of my home was illegal. So even though Breonna Taylor brought national notice, I tried to bring local notice that Louisville police were wrong in the manner in which they target us, they discriminate against us, they are biased, they are personal, the convictions are all of these things and more. At least my case is beyond, and I'm going to prove my point. Here's a letter to the Camp family. Justice for the Camp family. So I'm going to try to get justice for the Camp family because they keep leaving my name and my alleged messed up reputation that they tarnish. I got purity, but they stained my reputation. They slandered me through the news media to make me a bad guy on 3 different occasions. One on the murder case, and 4 actually. One on the exoneration, they tried to make me a bad guy. Thomas Wine and AC had to try to defend the wrongdoing. The next time they tried to frame me for the Barbara Brown incident, when our daughter Poochie called me a monster. Behind closed door, he's a monster. Yeah, y'all keep on saying I'm a monster, but I keep on not going to penitentiary. I keep on getting paid off of you people. So y'all keep on slandering my name. I'm gonna get paid real big on this one. It ain't about the money. I'm gonna sue mainly for the discovery of the truth and how they come about. And I got most of it dissected right here. Got most of it. I can pick up paper anywhere and show you injustice. You see, I got it in pink to raise your mind to it. I got it in colorful lines, pink, purple. Look at that pink. Cancerous pink. What they doing to us is cancer in nature. The discrimination and the racial profiling, the presumption of innocence because you're black, the stereotype because you're black. This is all went down in my house on November the 30th of 2019. 12:15, the 911 call to get an unruly girl, that they suppressed that evidence of her, like they did in the murder case. It's a pattern practice investigation. In the murder case, they had Francois that had knew of my innocence, and they suppressed that. He told these people 2 times Kerry Porter didn't do it, that this other person did it. Okay, now in this gun case, Destiny Hicks knows of my innocence, knows the frame job that they did, left her in my house, and put me in the squad car for 20 minutes. The officer, Alex Thompson, goes back into my house. I didn't give him permission to go back in my house, and they should have had Destiny out of there before they took me out. So this is SOP, Standard Operation Procedures, that's violated. Yeah, I know about standard operation procedures. You can Google it about the Louisville Metro thing because of Breonna Taylor's unfortunate incident. But I was on it before then. Search and seizures. Search and seizure, stop and arrest, Terry pat downs. Um, those are my specialties. Identification. My lawsuit didn't do nothing to protect me, nor did Breonna Taylor's lawsuit do anything to protect Thomas Swine and the abuse of power that the Commonwealth Attorney's Office and the judge used against me. Well, quite naturally, we know Louisville police abuse their power with a little bit of thought. They look peons. The real thing goes down with the judge being the top peon, Judge Angela McCormick Biskey, or whatever her name is. She's up in Supreme Court. She violated my civil rights at my trial. Said 29 words. Mr. Edgar, sit down. Your client isn't gonna sit there and act as if sit there means and act as if he's done nothing wrong. That's a presumption of innocence gone. She took off her robe, so to say, and she became personal. Your client is going to sit there and act as he's done nothing wrong when I, personal, can hear this girl screaming for her life in the background. So, Mr. Edgar, we're going to play the whole entire 911 call, which is totally irrelevant, can't be authenticated because of me, Stephanie, and the 911 lady wasn't there for her to enter that into evidence. That's a violation of her oath and everything else. She showed her bias when she said those 29 words. And that's why I got all these letters and all this stuff on this thing. So I'm going to mail out. So this is what I'm going to be. We'll speak on Howley at the press conference with proof to match it. All of Thomas's wives remarked during my exoneration. He said that me and Francois got together at North Point and we figured a way out for Kerry Porter. Thomas Wine was salty because I kicked his butt and should put him on the spotlight because of his demise. That's not my problem. It's not my problem. I'm not concerned with that. I'm concerned with the truth and the record that they developed. So most of y'all won't like what I'm saying, but I'm only speaking of the record that I have a right to refute as being the truth. And so if Thomas Wine comes up under my ink pen, A.C. McKay, Siobhan, Alex Thompson, James Stephan, badge number 7794. I'm getting mixed up. 7294 is what you call 7739. And all these other people that entered my home illegally, I will be bringing a massive lawsuit, not for the money, but for the findings of facts, the justice in it. So this is KP, the Lord's watchdog. I said enough, I'm hungry. I think the time is, let's see the time here. Let's see the time here. You see I got 9:01. So I'm out of here, 9:01. I'm gonna eat me a meal, stay up all night, fill some more of these out. You see, I got just one thing filled out on these. I got to fill out all of this. That's 50 of them. 50 more pieces of paper I got to fill out with a lot of Metro Council. I want them to know about it. So this is KP, Louis Watch South and Justice. I warned y'all at the press conference. I warned y'all, press conference is March the 12th of 2018. I got the money. Y'all framed me for a burglary that I didn't do because I had $4.2 million in the bank. Yeah, I'm telling my personal business. I don't care what they know. So I had $4.2 million in the bank. Why would I commit a burglary and steal some cheap 22 pistol when I can afford arsenal guns like they took out of my house. I had them. I was paying real money. I pay real money for guns on the streets or otherwise. Because see, if there's guns on the street, my life is in danger. Illegal guns on the street, my life is in danger because the hit that Thomas Wine them created out of the wrongful conviction lawsuit and the wrongful conviction murder case and more. So this is KP. I keep going back into it. I'm out of here at 9:05. Lord was watch out for injustice. See you in a minute.